English together.
Conversation 1.
Hey Alex, what are you doing?
I am watching TV.
Are you enjoying the show?
Yes, I am. It is very entertaining.
That's great. By the way, do you know where Tom is and what he is doing?
Tom is in the library. He's reading a book for his computer class.
Thanks. And how about Maya? Do you know where she is and what she is doing?
Maya is at the gym. She is working out.
Thanks for letting me know.
You're welcome, Emily.
Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel.
Conversation 2.
Hi, is this Lisa?
Yes, it is. Who is calling?
Hey, Lisa. It's Sarah. What are you doing?
Hi, Sarah. I am watching a movie on Netflix.
Nice. What movie are you watching?
I'm watching The Avengers.
Cool. I love that movie.
What about you? What are you doing?
I'm enjoying a cup of coffee and reading a book.
Sounds relaxing. Hey, do you want to go shopping together?
Yeah, sure.
Let's meet at the entrance of the shopping mall later.
Great. See you later.
Conversation 3.
What are you doing?
I am studying for my math exam.
That's great. Good luck with your studies.
What about you? What are you doing?
I am cooking dinner.
What are you making?
I am making pasta.
Yum. Can I help you?
Sure. Okay, you can chop the vegetables.
All right. I am chopping the vegetables now.
Thank you.
Is there anything else you want to do?
No, I am good. Let's finish preparing dinner.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.